At 16, Jason thought he was different. Not special, not lucky, just hungry. Hungry for more out of life. He believed he was meant for something bigger than the small town he grew up in. Bigger than the broken couches, the flickering TV, and the sound of his parents arguing behind thin walls. He promised himself one thing: I'm not going to waste my life. Jason woke up early. While everyone else slept, he ran in the cold. While his friends partied, he watched videos about business, fitness, success. He had a notebook under his bed. Inside it were goals, big ones, a strong body, financial freedom, a life where he mattered. He wasn't rich, he wasn't famous, but he had drive, and drive can take you anywhere. But nobody ever warns you about the enemy that doesn't look like an enemy. It happened late one night. Lights off, phone glowing, door locked. Just curiosity, just a few minutes. That's it. It didn't feel dangerous, it didn't feel wrong. In fact, it felt good, really good. Jason laughed it off the next day. Everyone does it. It's normal. It's harmless. And that's how it begins. Not with chains, but with excuses. Weeks passed, then months. Jason still chased goals, but not like before. He hit snooze more often, skipped workouts, procrastinated. Something was off. He felt tired even after sleeping, unmotivated without knowing why. And every time life felt heavy, stressful, lonely, he went back to the screen. Porn wasn't entertainment anymore. It was escape. College came, responsibilities grew, pressure increased, and so did the habit. Jason didn't notice a transformation happening inside him, but others did. He stopped making eye contact, stopped speaking with confidence, stopped believing in himself. Real women didn't excite him anymore. Real conversations felt awkward, uncomfortable, boring. So he chose the easier option, the fake one, the one that demanded nothing and took everything. Porn didn't scream at him. It whispered, just one more time. One night, Jason sat alone in his apartment. Dark room, empty fridge, phone in his hand. Again. When it was over, the silence hit, not peace. Silence filled with shame. He stared at the ceiling and felt it. That hollow feeling in his chest. The one that says, "You're not the man you promised you'd become." He hadn't failed once. He had failed slowly. Every day, every relapse, every excuse. Out of nowhere, Jason reached under his bed. That old notebook, the one with dreams. He flipped through the pages. Strong body, confidence, freedom. And then he looked at himself, weak, anxious, stuck. That's when it hit him like a punch to the gut. Porn didn't ruin his life overnight. It erased his future one decision at a time. And for the first time, he didn't feel sad. He felt angry. The next morning, Jason didn't feel motivated. He felt disgusted, and that disgust became fuel. He deleted apps, installed blockers, removed triggers. When urges hit, he ran. When his mind screamed, he wrote. When he failed, he stood back up. He relapsed, more than once. And every time the voice returned, "See, you're weak." But this time, Jason answered back, "Maybe, but I'm not quitting." Weeks passed, then months. Something changed. Jason woke up with energy again. His eyes felt alive. His posture shifted. Confidence crept back in, slowly, quietly. He didn't become a superhero. He became free, and freedom feels powerful. Today, Jason still fights urges, but he's no longer a slave. And if you're watching this, late at night, alone, feeling stuck, this story isn't about Jason, it's about you. Because the truth is simple. Porn doesn't relax you, it rewires you. It doesn't satisfy you, it drains you. And if you don't take control now, one day you'll wake up, stare at your own ceiling, and realize you traded your potential for temporary pleasure. But if you're still here, still listening, then this might be the moment your comeback begins.